Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting the exercise 8.1, and I hope that you have followed us through all the previous videos regarding chapter 8 and before that, chapter 7 and before that. So, it is important to have the concepts and notes at your hand and at your fingertips in order to proceed with the exercise. So, without any further delay, let's start. So, question number 1, exercise 8.1, which is greater, 0.3 or 0.4? So, first thing which we do in order to compare is that we write both of the numbers top and down fashion where the decimal point is aligned with each other. After that, we compare the number of digits on the left side of the decimal point. If the number of digits on the left side of the decimal point are same, then we start the step 2, that is we compare the values of the digits starting from the left extreme. And in case the values of the first digit becomes same or equal to each other, then we proceed to the next subsequent digit on the right, and so on until we get a final conclusive answer. So number of digits on the left side of the decimal place are both 1, and if we try to compare them, then also 0 is equal to 0. So we'll move to the next subsequent digit on the right, and that is 3 and 4. So this will give us the conclusion that 3 is less than 4. Therefore, the number 0.3 is less than 0.4. Therefore, 0.4 is greater. Coming to part B, 0.07 and 0.02. Again, the same process will be followed. Both of them will be written in top and down fashion. The decimal points aligned, and we'll start comparing. And after again, we'll have to make two jumps, and then we'll reach at the second decimal place. That is 7 and 2. 7 is greater than 2, that is obvious, and therefore 0.07 will be greater than 0.02. Therefore, 0.07 is the greater number. Coming to the next question, 3 or 0.8. So again, we'll write both of them. So before writing, you see that 3 does not have a decimal. So 3 can also be written as 3.0, and therefore we'll start writing 3.0 and 0.8 in top and down fashion and compare. So the left side have the equal number of digits, that is 1, and we'll compare. So after comparison, the answer will be clear that 3 is greater than 0, therefore 3.0 is greater than 0.8, therefore 3 is the greater number. Coming to part D, that is 0.5 and 0.05. So in order to make both of them look similar, we will add a 0 at the right of the decimal point on the extreme, because that will not change the value of the decimal. After that, we'll start comparing. So here number of digits same, value also same. Jumping to the next subsequent digit on the right is 5 and 0. So 5 is greater than 0, therefore the answer will be that 0.5 is greater than 0.05, therefore 0.5 is the greater number. Coming to the next question, 1.23 or 1.1. So 1.23 will be written, and after that 1.2 will be written, or you can write whichever first you want. Since it does not have anything over here, so in order to make it look similar, we will add a 0, because the reason is mentioned in the just previous question. So we'll start comparing. Left side both have one number of digits and the value is also same. Jumping to the next, here also value same. Jumping to next subsequent digit on the right, the value is different, therefore 3 is greater than 0, and the answer will be 1.23 is greater than 1.2. Therefore the answer is 1.23 is greater than 1.2. Coming to the next question, 0.099 and 0.19. So this is also same. So 0 is same, number of digits same. So we will jump to the next subsequent digit, that is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 will give us the value that 1 is greater than 0, and 0.19 ultimately will be greater than 0.099. Therefore 0.19 will be the greater number. I hope everything is clear over here. Just I'm checking it. Okay, everything is okay. I'll just yes, everything is okay. That's good. Okay, coming to the next point. 1.5 or 1.50. Okay, so 1.5 will be written and then 1.50 will be written. And as you know that in order to make this look similar to each other or have the same number of decimal digits, then we will add a 0 over here, because 0 on the left and the right of the decimal point on the respective extremes do not affect its value. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. This has been discussed in 8.1 part. 0, 0, 0 will be the same as 1.5 and 1.50 and so on. Therefore, both of them are the same. So 1.5 is equal to 1.50. Okay, H 1.431. So we will write again in top and down bottom, top and bottom fashion. So 1.49, 0 will be added to make number of digits same. After that, we'll start comparing. So here same again, then we'll jump to this one. So 3 and 9. So 3 is less than 9. Therefore, 1.431 is less than 1.490 or 1.49. Coming to the next part, 3.3 or 3.30 or double zero or whatever. So here also you see that 3.3 can be written as 3.30, double zero, 30, 40, infinite number of zeros, or 000 before that, any of the following. So therefore both of them are same. 5.64 and 5.603, that is the part J. So 5.64 and 5.603, to make them similar or look similar, we will add a 0 and then we will start comparing. So this is same and then we'll reach on this one. So 4 and 0, the 4 is greater than 0 and therefore the 4 is greater than 0. So 5.64, I don't know, something is wrong with my throat, I think. So apologies for that. 5.603. Okay. Coming to question number 2. Let me drink some water. Coming to question number 2. Make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. Okay. So here the task is given that we have to make 5 decimals and then create a pattern of descending order using those 5. So you can use the 5 numbers which we used previously in our previous video, in which we understood how to compare the numbers in comparing decimals, sorry, previous to previous video 8.2, and that is 0.5, and then it will be 0.05, then it was 50.5, and then it was 50.05, and then it was 49.5, or you can also make it 55 or something like that. Okay, 55055, 55055, and 5. So these are the 5 numbers and you can compare that. I'll just write down the answers because you know how to compare them. You can compare by considering N1, N2, N3. You can consult my comparing decimals video in order to understand in more detail. Okay, so I'll just write down the answer. So the answer is 50.55 is the greatest among all, and after that it will be 50.055, after that it will be 49.55, after that it will be 0.55, and after that it will be the least number among them, that is 0.055. So with this we conclude the exercise 8.1, and in the next video we'll be starting some more examples related to decimals, some concepts related to that. For example, when we use decimals with weight, with currency, with time, etc. So we'll understand about that, and till the next time we meet, I wish you the best of luck, and you keep making notes, keep revising, and keep practicing. And in case you liked our videos, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you have any suggestions or you have any feedbacks for us, do comment in the comment section or reach us out in our any of our social handles like Facebook, LinkedIn, or any of them which you are comfortable with. Till the next time we meet, I bid you farewell. Goodbye.